Hey little friends! Welcome to Little Learner's Nest.
Today, we will learn the name of baby animals. Let's start. Kitten. Baby cat is kitten. Larva. Baby butterfly is larva. Joey. Baby kangaroo is joey. Peachick. Baby peacock is peachick. Kitten. Larva. Joey. Peachick. Puppy. Baby dog is puppy. Owlet. Baby owl is owlet. Calf. Baby cow is calf. Pup. Baby wolf is pup. Puppy. Owlet. Calf. Pup. Calf. Baby elephant is calf. Cub. Baby lion is cub. Chick. Baby hummingbird is chick. Brood. Baby bee is brood. Calf. Cub. Chick. Brood.